guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing kind of something different. I mean, I do unboxings on this channel, so it's not that different, but I am really excited about this unboxing. This is for a subscription box. This is new to me, so I'm really excited about it. You may not be privy to the fact that I love tea. Pretty much all I drink is water, coffee, and tea, and protein shakes, but that's beside the point. Water, coffee, and tea are like my lifeline. So for this video, I will be unboxing a tea subscription box. This is by the company SipSpy. They did reach out to me for a partnership for this video, so thank you to SipSpy for sending me this because I cannot wait to see what's inside because I want some tea. So SipSpy is a personalized tea discovery service, which is pretty cool. You have to like fill out all of this stuff online. Actually, I shouldn't say all of this stuff because it took me like less than 5 minutes to do it. But basically you say like, you know, what kind of caffeine levels you want with your tea. Do you prefer like bag tea or loose tea? I can't deal with loose tea because it's just too much of an effort, so I'm like bag tea all the way, please. Also with tea, sometimes I drink it at night, so I'm like, I like some caffeine, but also I don't want to be up all night. So then it like talks about all these different flavors that you could try. I tend to stick with like citrus tea flavors, but I'm also willing to try most teas. I was like, send me whatever. I will say that SipSpy is the only personalized like multi-brand tea subscription box. So they work with a bunch of different companies, bunch of tea brands to bring you a subscription box. You can get these monthly, you can get them like every other month, you can get them seasonally. You can pick and choose. It's kind of like Stitch Fix in the sense that you can personalize it for yourself. I mean, I guess that's the point of a subscription box, personalized for you. But that's really cool that there is one for tea now. So each box contains like 4 different teas, which can make 15 cups of tea, which is pretty cool, especially if you're getting a monthly that can like last you an entire month. It also like provides steeping guidelines as well as tasting notes. So like going back to the whole personalized, what kind of flavors do you like? It details everything in here for you. So let me stop rambling so that I can actually see what tea I got because I'm excited. It's also really cold today that I'm filming this, so tea sounds amazing right now. So anyway, opening it up. Enjoy your teas. Believe me, I will. All right, so as it says, this is the March teas. Ooh, ooh. Oh, and another thing that you can put on there is whether you want it to be sugar or not. Because of my weight loss surgery, I can't have a whole lot of sugar. Like I can put my own sugar in it, so I usually use stevia or Truvia. So I'm like, no sugar whatsoever. Don't say anything with sugar. So fingers crossed I didn't get anything with sugar. So looking inside, you can see all the different tea bags that are in here. Oh, I see a green tea. Be still my heart. I love green tea. So on the back side of this little sheet, this is like March teas. This is where you're gonna find your information about what teas are actually in your box. Made for Gretchen. Hi. All right, so on the back, it says, spring will be here before you know it, Gretchen. Thank God. But while the cold still lingers, can it go away? Take advantage of the time spent inside by getting lost in a good book or starting a new project. All with a cup of tea in hand, of course. So I'm gonna go through each one just really quickly to see the 4 teas, and then I'll talk a little bit more in depth about them. So the first one is the Tulsi Sweet Rose by Organic India, caffeine free. Next one is Peppermint Leaves by Smith Tea Maker, caffeine free. Peach Green by IE Green Tea, low caffeine. Chai Moringa Energy Fusion by Miracle Tea, super caffeinated. So that's gonna be on a morning after I have a concert and I got 2 hours of sleep. Cool, good to know I have that. So I'm just gonna go through each one. You can look inside the box. You can see like here's 4 bags of the super caffeinated one. So the first one is this one by Organic India. It's the Tulsi Sweet Rose and it says stress relieving and magical. Me, just kidding. I'm stress inducing. So this one says, let's see, little snippet about it. Oh, it does have lemon in it, which is great. So this one has a little thing that says revered in India as the Queen of Hearts. Tulsi Holy Basil supports stress, mood, the immune system, and detoxification. This blend is soothing and stress relieving. Yes, my life. This is really good. I also asked, I'm pretty sure I just mentioned this, I asked for bag ones. So this one is a bag. I can just put it in a cup of hot water, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the strength that you want. This one actually might be good for tonight because It's cold. Mother Nature forgot it's March. All right, so the next one are peppermint leaves. Now, by the sound of this is not a bag one. But again, like I said, each bag and the little instructions tell you how to steep things. So it does say on the back, you know, bring water to a boil, steep it for 5 minutes, inhale deeply for a free trip to Oregon Mint Farm. I could go for an Oregon trip, not the Oregon Trail though. I always died of scurvy. So this one does have loose leaves in it, so breaking me out of my comfort zone. I see Sips by, but this one is also caffeine free. It says great caffeine free after dinner treat or midday breath fresher. Y'all trying to say something about my breath? I love peppermint tea. One of my coworkers also really loves peppermint tea, so maybe I'll share with her. She might like this too. Whoa, whoa. Okay, so this is the green tea one, which I'm like super amped about because I love green tea. I also love peach anything. But picking this up, it's a liquid. That's so cool. Wait, how does it work? Okay, so first of all, plant-based energy. We love that. So ingredients, organic green tea, water, organic citric acid, peach flavor, stevia. Okay, good. It's got stevia in it. Love stevia. This one is low caffeine, 1 packet per 10 to 16 ounces of water. That's good to know. This packet makes 16 to 20 ounces of delicious green tea. Simply add the liquid tea concentrate to hot or cold water. Ooh, you can add to your yogurt or smoothie for an antioxidant boost. That's cool. Just works like any other tea infuser. You boil your water. If you want it hot, you just have a glass of water. If you want it cold, you just pour it in there and kind of mix it up, and bam, there you go. I mean, I love green tea. So good for you. And then peach on top of that, yes. And then the last one is the super caffeinated moringa infusion chai. Like I need to be caffeinated. So this one, the ingredients lists moringa, which are dried leaves, black tea, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, black pepper, natural chai, mixed flavors, caffeine tea extract. Caffeine content, 155 milligrams per tea bag. It says it's a perfect coffee replacement, providing an energy boost without jitters or crash. That's also good. Sometimes I do get that like 2 o'clock crash after I've had a cup of coffee, so try it with tea instead. That sounds really good. So I will say the only one in this whole pack that would work with cold water is the green tea one. The rest of them are saying do hot tea, which is fine by me. I love hot tea. This is really nice that they do this. It tells you exactly like what temperature you should steep it at, for how long, you know, if you could do both hot or cold. It tells you your caffeine level, because I know a lot of people can't have caffeine. So this is really nice. I personally am really excited to try all of these teas. Y'all have no idea how excited I am to try the green tea one. Like as soon as I'm done filming, I'm probably gonna go try it, because tea sounds amazing right now, but so does green tea particularly. So that was my Sips by unboxing for March. Again, I'm hoping that this is a seasonal thing. I don't know about you all, but I just love tea. So I'm really excited for this. I'm excited to try these. Thank you, Sips by, for sending me this box. I do have a link in case you all want to try it yourself. My link is in the description below. Go click on it and get yourself a little discount. All cool. Any tea drinkers out there, which one of these sounded good to you? Like, for me, they all sound amazing. Can't wait to try them all. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Going down there and hit that subscribe button, wherever it may be, because I don't know. Even though I do, this is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.